Howdy, Mia Francesca Rav here, and today I'm going to do a Flirty Glam. I already have on my basic foundation, bronzer, contour, and my blush stick on my cheeks, lips, and eyelids. And now I'm going to go ahead and add in some brown liquid eyeliner. This is my new favorite. This is by Stila. It's called Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. And you can sleep in this eyeliner. It is that good. And it has the perfect felt tip. So it's super easy to control. You just literally draw it on. It's not like a brush. It's not like painting. Painting is not quite for me. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and go right in with my eyeliner. So you want to angle coming from the bottom of your lash line and just pull it right in. Just like that. Okay, now for this side. Remember, we're going for sisters, not twins, okay? Just like your eyebrows. Okay, so I'm going to go along my lower lash line for the angle. And then drag it in. Even it out. And now I'm going to add a little bit on my inner corner to give that cat eye look that we're all going for right now. I cannot get over how precise this liquid liner is, especially on the inner corner. It is so hard to get that super thin. Okay, now that I've got my eyeliner on, I'm going to go back over my blush eyeshadow with the Naked 3 palette. And I'm going to use a nice light sparkly pink. This one's called Dust. I'm just gonna literally dust it into my crease to give a nice little shine. Keep it nice and flirty. When it's pink, I always feel like it's a super flirty look, and I love that kind of pink glam. And then the brown liquid eyeliner really tones it down so it's not super dramatic as a black liquid liner would be. Okay, and I'm gonna go in with a lighter, softer, less sparkly pink called Burnout. Go over the center of my eyes. Okay, to finish up and really make my eyes pop, I'm going to use just a brown stick liner on my waterline. I like to do a brown waterline just because it makes my darker eyes really pop. Then I'll finish that off with the brown Diorshow mascara just slightly on the bottom. I'm going to go in with my regular black volumizing mascara on the top. I go in for a second coat. Okay, the last product to really bring this whole look together is lips, of course. I have on my Palladio I'm Blushing 2-in-1 lip and cheek tint already, but I'm going to go over it with the Charlotte Tilbury Jewel Lips in shade Rose Jewel. This gloss is my new favorite. It is so silky, but so shiny, and it has a little bit of sparkle to it. I mean, it's amazing. And you really don't need a lot of it, so this is gonna last me a while. And here we have the finished look. It's so fun and flirty, lots of pink, little bit of brown to keep it neutral and grounded. This look is great for a date night, for a girls' night. It is one of my favorite go-tos. It's super fun just to have a little pop of pink, and I hope that you guys love it. You can get all the products that I used in this video, along with all of your other favorite big beauty brands from eCosmetics by clicking the link below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this look and you come back for more.